Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong 2024 prediction. So, titignan natin kung ano yung energies for you ngayong 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, zodiac sign, bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Taurus, let's see what's coming to you in 2024 for Taurus. Wolf. Okay, this is some sort of power. Awakening your wildness. You're becoming even wiser and focusing on your purpose, yung iyong life's purpose. You also have the rainbow. Ang ganda. Diba, there's a rainbow always after the rain. And I see this as a new opportunity opening up for you. This is also abundance. Becoming more optimistic, no, after challenges. So, yung iba sa inyo, you've experienced challenges in the past year, and ngayong 2024, no, overcome nyo na yan. You are stepping into your own power, and you are embracing abundance. Oh, diba? You have the lion energy, napaka courageous, no, malakas ang loob. Kumbaga ngayong 2024, you are willing to take the risk in learning new things, trying new things, no, and also justice energy ng justice for you, lalo na sa mga taong nag-abuso ng ng kabaitan mo, no, nag-take advantage sa'yo, or anyone na may nagawang kasalanan sa inyo. So, you are going to get the justice that you deserve. Okay, let's see what else for Taurus. You have dignified strength. Grabe, no? You're becoming a stronger version of yourself, Taurus. And I see you meron kang ma-achieve na certain goal, or like a position, no, na ina-achieve mo nung mga nakaraan pang taon, and ngayong 2024, ayan na, malapit ka na doon. Malapit mo nang maabot yung trono na yan. So, merong recognition about your career, your business. Meron kang leadership role ngayong 2024 na i-assume. You also have the 4th house, which is about your home life and family life. So, isa rin yan sa main focus mo ngayong 2024 is to have a safe home, a very comfortable home. You also have Neptune, which is about your vision. So, I think yung creative ideas mo, mas lalang mag-heighten ngayong 2024. You will do some things na you've never done before, and yung mga ideas na yan, isa sa katuparan mo na yan kasi you have the lakas ng loob to make it happen. Magiging very creative kayo ngayong 2024, Taurus. Let's see yung month by month na energies for you ngayong 2024. So, let's start with January for Taurus. You have the Page of Cups. Yes, this is magic, love, bringing in some fun in your life. So, yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong ma-attract na admirers ngayong January. And yung iba naman sa inyo, marami kayong creative ideas na pwede nyong simulan ngayong January, na kung saan pwede rin itong mag-bring ng abundance sa inyong life, no? Can be any creative ideas. So, pagdating naman ng February for Taurus, you have the 6 of Cups, reconciliation. So, yung iba, meron kayong merong magkakaayos, no, na relationship. Pwedeng romantic, friendship, sa family. Meron kang aayusin na connection, relationship na medyo nagkalamat, no, ngayong February 2024. You will move on. Isipin mo na importante wala kang kaaway or walang issue with other people. And then, pagdating ng March for Taurus, you have the Hierophant. So, this is your energy. Tradition, structure, and knowledge. Yung iba, meron kayong mga pag-aaralan na makakapagpaunlad ng inyong pamumuhay, no? Pwedeng you're going to learn a new skill, meron kayong makukuhang mentor or makikilalang mentor that's going to assist you and help you in gaining that knowledge na kailangan mo to be successful. Let's see. Pwede rin yung iba sa inyo merong mentorship role na pwedeng meron kang i-assume na role to become a teacher, a trainer, a coach. Yan. Sa pagdating ng April, okay, 10 of Wands, maraming trabaho. A lot of responsibilities sa'yo ngayong April 2024. But of course, you can handle it. Kaya lang, may mga times na over calculate, tama ba? Or nami-miscalculate mo yung capacity mo, na parang overloaded na yung responsibilities, yung obligations. So, make sure to manage your time, your energy, para hindi ka ma-burn out. Pwede kasi a lot of things are going on all at the same time. Tapos gusto mo na ma-manage mo siya lahat-lahat. So, syempre, it takes yung sacrifices minsan. So, yeah, manage your time well. And kunin mo lang yung kaya mong i-deliver at i-handle. Pagdating naman ng May, let's see, you have the Ace of Wands. Merong new beginnings for you. Travel opportunities din. Like, this is an exciting message. Meron kang ma-receive na exciting message related sa trabaho mo. And I think, kung nung April is you feel like masyado kang overloaded sa work or parang you feel na hindi na siya ganun ka-fulfilling na tipong hindi mo nakukuha yung hindi siya well compensated yung work mo, yung workload mo, yung career mo, hindi siya well compensated. Some of you meron kayong i-let go. And you will try other opportunities na mas magbibigay sa iyo ng kalayaan. Like freedom sa oras mo. And then, pagdating ng June, you have the 5 of Wands. You're becoming more competitive sa career, sa business. Okay lang yan as long as it's a healthy competition. Siyempre, kapag medyo na siya, medyo toxic na, it may create conflict with others. So, kumbaga, dun lang sa healthy competition with others. Para, syempre, matcha-challenge pa rin naman tayo, diba? Mahirap naman wala kang kakompetensya, tapos parang hindi ka masyado mag-i-improve nun kasi walang comparison. Okay? So, July naman. July for Taurus. You have the King of Swords. Mas marami kang maiisip na iba pang gawin, no? Or pangarapin or i-goal sa buhay pagdating ng July, because I see you becoming more ang tawag doon yung may merong grit. Parang very excited ka sa mga opportunities, na-challenge ka, and you feel like every time na na-challenge ka, nananalo ka, ganon. So, parang you feel like you are becoming even more powerful and you want that na magtuloy-tuloy. So, pagdating ng August, you have the Queen of Pentacles. Yes, speaking of pagtutuloy-tuloy, this is financial stability for you, no, and your family. Your needs are all met. Pagdating rin sa pag-handle ng finances mo, mas matalino ka, mas wise ka, you know how to grow your money. Hindi lang siya yung iniipon. For you, gusto mo siyang mas dumami, mas mag-grow. So, some of you pwedeng papasok sa investments, no? Different investments. Sa pagdating ng September, you have the Six of Swords, travel opportunities for some of you. This is also a change ng direction. Meron kang i-discover pa about yourself, other things na you want to try. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, ma-achieve nyo na yung certain goal ninyo ng first half pa lang ng 2024. And mas challenge ka, gusto mo mag-level up. So, meron kayo explore na bagong path, bagong opportunity. Meron kang gusto pang tahakin na bagong landas. Yung iba naman, pwedeng paglipat ng trabaho, paglipat ng bahay, paglipat ng company. So, this is, July, August, September, October naman. Wow, the Empress, this is your energy. Abundance. You are really attracting abundance, Taurus. Lalo na kung ikaw ay magsisipag. So, the more na you are really working on it, the more na mas inspired, the more na mas nagiging productive ka. And it's bringing you a lot of success. Some of you, meron ding baby, no? Merong pwedeng magkakaanak, or may darating na bagong member of the family. You will also focus on taking care of yourself. Ito na yung time na mas maaalagaan mo na rin yung sarili mo, hindi lang ibang tao. So, you have more than enough. Pagdating ng November, you have the Four of Pentacles. So, this is financial stability. November, you will see, makikita mo na yung resulta ng mga pinagtrabahuhan mo. And dahil doon, mas lalo kang may inspire, no? Ito yung time na hindi ka titigil, na mas palawakin, palaguin pa yung iyong finances, yung career mo. Yung iba, meron kayong mga properties na ma-acquire. May mabibili kayong lupa, bahay. Yung iba, gagamitin nyo pa yan for business. Let's say, papa-Airbnb ninyo yung unit ninyo, yung bahay ninyo. Or paparentahan. And then, December, wow, Ten of Pentacles. Napakaganda ng reading nyo, Taurus. Challenging man siya a bit, no? Medyo challenging sa first half, pero worth it naman siya because the Ten of Pentacles is bringing abundance and prosperity in your life. Meron ding inheritance dito. Pwedeng meron kayong ma-receive na unexpected money from your parents, from your kamag-anak. So, sa money, career, finances, you are going to explore your talents in arts. Okay? Meron ka mga minor mishaps pagdating sa decision making mo sa trabaho, sa business, or sa career, pero ito ay magtuturo sa'yo ng lesson. And then, meron ka rin creative idea, no? May isip mo na, uy, maganda tong pagkakitaan. Yes. And merong magsasabotahe sa'yo, no? Susubukan kang pabagsakin, pero hindi nila yan magagawa sa'yo. Dahil very much determinado ka na ma-achieve yung goals mo. And I think, yun lang, maging maingat ka lang sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo. And then, sa love naman. Love. Meron ditong potential. Uy, iba sa inyo, pwede kayong ikasal ngayong 2024. Kaya lang, wag madaliin dahil baka meron pa kayong mga kailangang malaman tungkol sa person na ito na hindi nyo pa alam. So, hinay-hinay. Hindi kasi porket parang may potential tong person na to is you will go all the way na sa relationship. Kailangan din na pagplanuhang maigi. Kilalanin yung person. Kasi pwedeng mauna yung passion, no? Tapos parang na-hook ka na dito sa person na to pero marami pa lang hindi ka pa alam tungkol dito na pwedeng matanggap mo, pwede namang hindi, no? So, syempre mahirap pag nakapag-commit ka na tapos hindi mo pala matanggap yung malalaman mo. So, might as well get to know this person deeply before getting into a very serious commitment. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.